A very good morning. I found the FDP that was organized by AICTE ATAL, that is building predictive AI models for route optimization and the latest emerging technologies for smart manufacturing to be very informative and well structured. Me being a graduate from engineering and a management area, I found this particularly interesting because there was a perfect blend of technical aspects as well as the managerial areas. So during the various sessions I were held, that is maybe on building the AI predictive models and the smart manufacturing applications, or let it be the route optimization techniques as well. I found it is possible to have a perfect alignment between the analytical decisions, that is, which is taken using the analytical tools, and we can use these tools to have proper operational efficiency. And all the sessions were held, it was taken by expert speakers, who made it very simple, utilizing the real life examples and industry examples, but the academic rigor was intact. So on the whole, I felt the FDP has added more to my interdisciplinary learning, which I'll definitely be able to use for my teaching purpose and research areas also. So I am extremely thankful to the Analytics Department of SCMS Cochin School of Business and the ATAL Academy for holding such an impactful and relevant topic. Thank you so much.